stayed here for 2 days, and the tree house and the caravan were like really unique experiences. So we went to waterfall yesterday and it was awesome. And then we also tried car trekking for the first time. We were a little bit scared, but then it was a very good experience. And then we experienced this Burma Bridge also. It's also very good. So we stayed in our tree house for a day and then a caravan another day. My uncle and aunt and grandparents, they stayed in a suite room. So the hospitality is like very good. They provide you everything you want with. And then like everything is literally so awesome. The environment is so good. Yeah, we really liked it. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.